Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the Yealink room panel. Yealink has a room panel now for Teams, which is a scheduling panel. You can put it on the outside of your meeting rooms and it gives a fancy light to show you if the meeting room is available, yes or no. And if you want to have an unplanned meeting, it's easy to schedule that meeting to use this room panel to put the meeting into the calendar of that meeting room. A lot to see, a lot to do. Let's unbox. Alright, so what's in the box? Little cloud. As soon as we open it, we already see our room panel. As you can see, really slick design. A little bit of a tablet. Let's put it like that. Yeah. And underneath that tablet, we have some more. We have the quick start guide, of course. We have a power adapter. Normally, this panel is being powered by power over Ethernet, but if you don't have it, there is a power adapter included. And there are also some screws, so a screwdriver as well, and some attachments to put it on the wall if you'd like to. So that's all included. As you can see, the most important thing is our room panel. I'll put that on the side for a second. The room panel has a really slick, slim design, a bit like a tablet, as I said. And it comes with a Ethernet connector and a power connector. So for this unboxing, we have a power over Ethernet connection. So let's plug that in. As you can see, I need to put it right here. And as you can see, as soon as the power is connected, you can see the lamps already. And that will also be the color if your room is going to be available, yes or no. So the Yealink will boot up. I'll put that on the side for a second. And as soon as it's booted up, you will be able to choose your language. We have every possible language you want. You can put it in my mother language, Dutch. You can also put it in English, French, pretty much every language you want. So now you can see it started. We can choose our language. We can choose English, Chinese, French, German, every language that you want. We are going to choose English, of course. And if we press next, it says, okay, everything's successful, and you need to put on your time zone. We are currently in Belgium, so we are going to put the Brussels time zone in. Done. And as soon as it's done, you see the Microsoft Teams sign-in screen. You just need to sign in with the meeting room you are going to hang up the Yealink from. If you put sign in, you get the all-known Microsoft login, where you need to log in with the username and the password of that meeting room. So we're going to log in with our meeting room. Just press sign in. And as soon as we sign in, we see the company portal. On the background, we have Microsoft Intune taking care of everything. It is joining our device, it's registering our device in Office 365. And as soon as the device registration is complete, it will show you a custom design, which shows you the availability of that room, which shows you the lights on the back if the room is busy or available, and a button to plan in that unplanned meeting room. So it is now finishing setting the device up. Can take a few minutes, of course, depending on your internet connection. But then as soon as we got it, it is verifying a few things. You see the Teams interface already, and as soon as we are signed in, everything will be displayed as you want to, and you can basically hang everything up. So as you can see, we see the time, the name of the meeting room, and the availability of that meeting room as well. If we want to reserve that meeting room for an unplanned meeting room, we have this easy button where we can press reserve on. If you have the availability, you can have the green light. If it is busy, you will see that in a minute, it will be purple, but you can change that to red as well if you want to. So if you press reserve, you can choose the time, your ending time, starting from now, of course, because yeah, you want to enter the room unplanned, so you don't have a starting time. The starting time is when you press reserve. And let's say we'll have an unplanned meeting of 30 minutes. Just press reserve and it's booked. Simple as that. You see the purple lights showing as busy. But again, if you press on the settings right here, you will open up the settings of this device, and via device settings you can choose everything of the color, which light you want, red, purple, the background as well, the wallpaper can be chosen as well. So we have a lot of things, also some administrative things, the admin password, you want to upgrade if you want to have a static network, all IT stuff, if you want to say it like that. But basically, this panel will now be hanging outside of your meeting rooms. You will always have a good clear view if your meeting room is reserved or is available. And if you want to plan an unplanned meeting, you simply press, what was it, 3 buttons or something. So yeah, the Yealink room panel, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so this was the unboxing of the Yealink room panel, the room scheduling panel of Yealink. Not that much to see, but it is a perfectly valuable room scheduler in my opinion. It's a really nice model. It's a really nice screen scheduler to hang outside of your meeting rooms, and it's a really accessible device, to be fair. So if you want to see more of these unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe. If you want to have a more technical, detailed preview about this device and how to configure it, what you need, check the blog post in the link down below. And I see you in the next unboxing video.